We've got their Ford Rangers. Oh, there's more up here, Kenny.
I'm yoking.
Oh, trail. Two of them. Dang, look at that one. Oh man, they're everywhere.
I am.
This is better. What's that with the big fish?
Hook fins catfish.
Pizzeria. What's with the mobility scooters everywhere?
I wonder, like, if they rent them, because there's people on.
These guys got e-bikes. They're
Even like,
definitely all renting these, aren't they?
yeah, because there's younger people on these scooters too.
Yeah.
I want to go to one of these gift shops.
You want to go in where? There?
Any of them,
Okay.
but we have time. The El Camino.
Corkies? Oh, here's all the fast food area right here. It's like all in one spot.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Crazy ramp truck.
Oh, it's a Camaro like my mom's. It's burgundy. It was really
Wasn't
pretty.
it?
Yeah.
I missed
I've seen a couple of them. There was an SS too.
Oh, we got Camaro.
Yeah, that one's real nice.
Oh, yeah.
Camaros are where it's at. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's a split bumper.
Yeah.
These old guys just must come out here and sit here by their
just
cars
sit.
all day.
Yeah.
Must be a big retirement area.
Man, I could get down with it. Oh, look. It's yellow. That one's pretty.
I cannot believe how many classic. And they're on the other side of the road too.
I know.
They're everywhere. This is heaven.
We came on the right week, I guess.
I did not want to come to Dogwood, but I changed. Look at the Little Caesars guy. Oh my gosh.
64.
There's that Smoky Mountain pancake house. Oh my God! Look at this Mach 1.
Big hole.
Sorry. So, the only Ford I want.
There's just 3 Mustangs in there.
There's a fastback. There's a fastback there. I didn't even see it.